Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the most powerful tool of Ghost Spectre Windows, the Ghost Spectre Toolbox. Now, this toolbox usually comes pre-installed with Ghost Spectre Windows. But if you don't see its icon on your desktop, don't worry, you can run it directly from its location. And to make things easier, I'll also provide a portable zip file in the description. Even if you're on normal Windows 11, you can still download and use it from the link below. This toolbox is packed with tons of features, but today we'll be focusing only on a few of the most important ones. So, make sure to watch till the end, because you don't want to miss these. Alright then, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the video. Sometimes you come across a file or folder that simply refuses to get deleted, no matter what you try. For such stubborn files, our Ghost Spectre Toolbox has a very powerful feature. Here's how you can enable it. First, open the Ghost Spectre Toolbox. Inside, you'll find the right-click Take Ownership menu at option number 7. To activate it, just type 7 in the selection box and then type 1 in the next menu. You'll notice a few quick scripts running, and boom, it's done. Now, go back to that stubborn file or folder, right-click on it, and you'll see the Take Ownership option in your context menu. Simply click it, and you'll finally be able to delete that file without any problem. If you're on Ghost Spectre Windows 11, you've probably noticed that the context menu still looks like the old Windows 10 version. Well, that's done on purpose to keep things lightweight and speedy. With the Ghost Spectre Toolbox, you can say goodbye to boring old menus and hello to a stylish upgrade. Just head over to the Ghost Toolbox, type 24 for Ghost Personalize, then choose option 18, Nilsoft Shell. After that, select one, download and install. If your internet is decent, it will be ready in just a few seconds. And boom, you've got yourself a brand new, modern context menu. But why stop there? Let's make it even cooler. Go back to the toolbox, select 2, change to dark, and watch how your menu transforms into a glassy, elegant, premium look. And don't worry, you're not stuck with it forever. Anytime you feel like going back to the classic menu, just search for Nilsoft Shell in the Start menu, run it as administrator, and hit Unregister. Instantly, your old lightweight menu will return. So basically, you're in full control, upgrade when you want, roll back when you like. Pretty cool, right? One more thing Ghost Spectre users often miss in Windows 11 is the taskbar widgets. Normally, Ghost Spectre Windows doesn't include them, but don't worry, with the Ghost Toolbox, you can bring those widgets back and enjoy the full Windows 11 experience. Here's how to do it. Open the Ghost Toolbox and go to option 42, Options for Windows 11. From the next menu, select 14, Windows 11 Widgets, and then choose one, Download and Install. Once the file is downloaded, an installation wizard will pop up. Complete the installation, and then restart your PC. After restarting, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar. You'll now see a Widgets toggle option that wasn't there before. Just turn it on, and you'll notice a new widget icon on the left side of your taskbar. Hover over it, and you can start setting up all your favorite default Windows 11 widgets. And here's a feature many of you will love. If you want to permanently activate Windows 11, Ghost Toolbox has you covered. All you need to do is open the toolbox, go to option 4, Ghost Online Activator, and select it. That's it. The tool takes care of the rest automatically. Once it's done, you can head over to Settings, System and check your activation status. You'll see that your Windows is now activated with a digital license. Of course, in my case, my Windows was already activated. I just did this as a quick demo so you can see how easy it is. But now you know, with just a couple of clicks, you can activate your own Windows hassle-free. Now let's talk about something every gamer cares about: better performance and fewer errors. Yes, Ghost Spectre Toolbox also includes some powerful gaming tools. Here's what you need to do. Open the toolbox and head over to options 16 and 17. Start with option 17, DirectX. From there, select the second option, Offline Installer. This will download the latest DirectX files and open the installation wizard. Go ahead and install it, and you'll instantly notice a boost in your game's performance. Next, move on to option 16. In the following menu, I highly recommend you select option 2. This one installs the latest libraries, which can fix most of the common game errors and ensure your games run smoothly. So, with just a couple of steps, you can say goodbye to annoying game crashes and enjoy a much smoother gaming experience. Now let's move towards Windows customization. The Ghost Spectre Toolbox comes with an amazing option that allows you to change Windows icons and make your system look both beautiful and unique. Here's how you can do it. Open the toolbox and go to option 24, Ghost Personalization. Inside, you'll find option 17, Icon Pack. Once you open it, you'll see 5 different styles of icon packs. Simply pick the one you like. For this demo, I am selecting icon pack number 3. And within a few seconds, you can see that my selected pack has been successfully applied. If you don't like it, no worries. Just reopen the toolbox and try a different pack until you find the one that fits your style. And there you go. Our system now has a fresh, unique set of icons. With that, I'll wrap up today's video. But remember, this is just the beginning. The Ghost Spectre Toolbox has so many more features waiting for you to explore. Keep me in your prayers, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.